Today, let's discuss our fifth chapter of geography, and that is mineral and energy resources. In the first chapter, we try to understand about resource, that what is resources, and then in the next three chapters, that is soil, water, and energy. These all are the examples of natural resources. So from here, somewhere we start man-made resources. Actually, minerals are made by nature, and later when we modified it, then it become a man-made resource. Now the question is that what is a mineral? A mineral is a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. So this is the definitions according to geologists, that these minerals are occurring in nature and they all have a definite chemical compositions. Let me take the example like iron, sodium chloride made of sodium and chloride. So these are the examples of minerals. Rocks are the combinations of homogeneous substances and they are called minerals. Minerals are basically found in rocks or under the surface of the earth. Now the first thing is importance of these minerals in our country India. These minerals are indispensable part of our lives. Almost everything which we are used in our daily life is made up of these minerals, and that is the most important. Most of the, or I can say that this is the number one importance of minerals. The things which we are using like car, buses, in transport, train, aeroplanes, they all are manufactured from minerals and are not power resources derived from the earth. Not only these car, buses, etc., but the food we eat also contain minerals. In all the stages of development, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, religious and ceremonial rites. So here we can say that minerals are a very important part of our life. Now let us classify the mineral classifications of minerals. Then we can classify our mineral in three parts or in three types. The first one is metallic minerals. Now the metallic minerals which are hard, ductile, shine, they all are metallic minerals. Examples are iron, copper, etc. They all are the metallic minerals. A car, trains, etc. They all are made up of mineral. They are hard and very useful to us. Similarly, the next one is the non-metallic minerals. These non-metallic minerals does not consist of any metal. They are semi-solid, liquid, and even in the gaseous forms also, like the petroleum, natural gases, salt, etc. They all are non-metallic minerals. Here we classified a third part also of mineral, and that is energy minerals or the power minerals. Means only those minerals from which we get electricity or power. Example are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Let us understand metallic and non-metallic minerals by classifying both of them into two parts. The metallic minerals are consist of metals, while the non-metallic minerals are does not consist of metal. The second thing is that they are solid in nature, while the non-metallic minerals are semi-solid, liquid, or even in the gaseous form. We can take the example also: iron, copper, magnesium, etc. They all are the good example of metallic mineral. Coal, petrol, salt, marble, etc. are the example of non-metallic minerals. Now these metallic minerals are also divided into two parts, and these are: the first one is ferrous. By name it is clear. Ferrous means it is consist of iron. These minerals are malleable and ductile. The examples are iron itself, manganese, bromide. They all have the quality of iron. They all contain iron, means have a magnetic qualities. Thus, this is the first classification of metallic mineral. The second classification of metallic mineral is non-ferrous. These non-ferrous minerals does not consist of iron. They are non-malleable and also non-ductile. Here we can take example of copper, zinc, bauxite, later become aluminium, etc. They all are hard and shine, but they are not ferrous minerals. They are metallic minerals but not a ferrous metallic minerals. So this is how we classify minerals. We first classify minerals: metallic, non-metallic, second, and the third one is energy. In the first part, metallic minerals are also classified into two parts: ferrous and non-ferrous. Now let us come to the third part, and that is energy minerals. Energy minerals means those minerals from which we create energy or power. Example: coal. By burning coal in thermal power plant, we produce energy. Similarly, by burning petroleum, or we get energy from petrol and run trains, vehicles, etc. And the third one is natural gas, like the Anta gas plant. Now the third part, in which we discuss about the that how much fairly rich and varied minerals resources are there in India. India is rich in minerals. The first part in India, southern India, in the peninsular region of India, these rocks contain minerals. Basically, they contain non-metallic minerals. Sedimentary rocks of the western and eastern Ghat in the peninsular region, that is the Gujarat and Assam especially, Here also there are a lot of deposits of petroleum like in Assam Digboi, and recently we found petroleum in the Godavari Krishna basin region of Andhra Pradesh. In Rajasthan also we found many minerals. Basically we found a lot of non-ferrous minerals in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is number one in India in the productions of zinc and copper also. The great northern plain of India, made up of alluvial soil, it is also rich in minerals, and there is a lot of economic importance of this region. So because of the importance of this alluvial soil, we count it as a economic mineral. Mode of occurrence minerals. The minerals are found in rocks, in the igneous rock and in metamorphic rocks. The minerals are mainly occur in the cracks of faults or in the joints which are found in these rocks. The cracks which are small, they are called veins, as we learned in the last year and before last year in 8th class also. And the larger cracks, they are called lodes. So the major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, lead, etc. are obtained from veins and lodes of the igneous and metamorphic rocks. Now the second type of rock is the sedimentary rocks. As we know, these sedimentary rocks are made by sediments, and that's why we found a lot of layer in these sedimentary rocks. Obviously the minerals are mainly occur in the beds, or in other words we can say the layers of these minerals. They have been formed as a result of deposition and accumulations of the concentration in horizontal strata. The minerals which we found in sedimentary rocks are basically iron ore, gypsums and potash. Rather than this, the minerals are also found on the surface rocks and the removal of the solute constituent. Bauxite is formed in this way. The next one is the placer deposits. In the first chapter, we learned about placer deposits. They are occur as alluvium soils in the sands of valley floors and the base of hills. By these placer deposits, the minerals which are found in these regions are gold, silver, tin, platinum, etc. And the next or the last one is ocean water, where a lot of minerals found. These water contain vast quantities of minerals, for example, common salt, that is NaCl, magnesium, bromine, petroleum, etc. Like here in India, we have Bombay High, from where India get more than 40% of its petroleum consumption. So minerals are basically found in these regions. Now we will take examples of ferrous, non-ferrous minerals and non-metallic minerals in our next part of the lecture. Till today, that's all. Thank you.